Hey guys, we're not feeling the best right now. We're stuck in quarantine, we're stuck indoors, we're not able to move our bodies the way that we want to. So this workout is called the Restore and Energize workout. It only takes 5 minutes long, and we're really gonna put it to the test because I just had a very big meal and I'm feeling a little sluggish. So are you ready? You don't need any equipment, you're just gonna stand tall with me. The entire workout is done from a standing position. Are you ready? Starting in 3, 2, 1, we're just gonna shake and hop. All these exercises are designed to give you energy. Some of them are going to be a little weird. Would you do them in a normal gym setting? Probably not, because you look kind of strange, but you're just in your house right now. Take your hands, we're going to be patting our body. We're going down the legs. We're going inner thighs. Back of the legs. Inner thighs. You feel silly, you feel weird, but I think you're starting to feel pretty good. Back to the hops. Long, deep breaths. Grab your kids. Have one in each hand. You should be hopping and jumping, going north and south with your shoulders, shaking the body out. You're feeling really gosh darn good. Maybe even throwing a smile. Okay, back to the pats. Patting the body. If you've ever done Qigong, they do a lot of patting, and we're going to be doing a lot of patting today. You'll really like this next one. Okay, left wrist, right hand. Pull it over and back. Pull it over and back. Did I just hear your back crack? No, Lord knows that feels good. I want to hear lots of breathing. Okay, take your hand, patting. Oh, the stiff neck. The stiff forearms from too much computer work. Keep breathing. You're going to feel euphoric after this workout. Okay, other hand now, bring it over. Mobilizing the body, mobilizing the joints. Getting lots of oxygen into those tissues, those tired tissues. Okay, let's tap the other arm now. Back up the neck, and back down. I thought these movements were silly. You're going to love this next one. Okay, I'll let you see me from the side. You're going to shake your body, let your arms shake. You're going to bend over. Shaking the body. Silly exercises make you feel good. We all know that. Okay, long, deep breaths. You got a sinus infection. This is one of the best things you can do. You look like Tarzan. You look awesome. You look like a gorilla. You look like a monkey. Back to the shakes. Sometimes we think we lack energy because we didn't get enough sleep, or maybe we didn't eat enough. Sometimes we just got to create our own energy by shaking and tapping our body back to the chest. Long, deep breaths. Tell you what, guys, I had a big meal and I'm already starting to feel better. Wide feet, hands up, long deep breath in. Tony Robbins does these every single morning. Does 10 of them. These are called the prime squat. Wide feet. Take your palms like this. I want you to reach for the ceiling. Stretch every bit of you. Reach as far hard as you can. As hard as you can. 5 more seconds. Hands are up. Feet should still be wide. Elbows off the sides. Exhale. Inhale. Good. Okay. We're going to be doing this movement with the shoulders as we do our little run. I'm still breathing. I dare you to do this at the gym. I dare you. Okay, you got your drum, you're going to be here. Hitting that drum. Hitting that big drum. Chest is up, eyes are up, feeling a little burning in the legs. Hitting that drum. 5 more seconds, faster with the hands. 3, 2, 1, just move with the shoulders as you run. Staying as loose as you can. Flailing your arms. A lot of flailing this workout. You're almost done. You're almost done your 5-minute Restore and Energize workout. Wide feet, go as fast as you can. This is gonna help you with that endorphin rush. That's gonna hit you. It's gonna hit your heart. Faster with the hands, deeper with the butt. Keep the chest upright, eyes forward. Hello. 3, 2, 1. That is your 5-minute rest and restore, recover, and thrive. You should feel incredible after that workout. I miss you guys very much. Hope you enjoyed that silly, strange, weird 5-minute workout. See you guys later.